In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Google Photos to an external hard drive. First, open a web browser on your computer. Now, go to Google Takeout. Once the page opens, click Deselect All at the top. Scroll down and find Google Photos. Check the box next to Google Photos, then scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. On the next page, you can leave the default settings or customize them if you prefer. Now click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your photos and videos for download. Depending on the size of your library, this may take some time. Once the export is ready, Google will send you an email. Open the email and click Manage Google Takeout Request. Now click Download next to each export file. You may be asked to sign in again to verify your account. After the download is complete, open File Explorer and you'll see one or more zip files on your computer. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All to unzip the contents. Next, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Go to the folder containing your extracted Google Photos files. Select the photos and videos you want to transfer, then right-click and choose Copy. Now open your external hard drive in File Explorer. Right-click inside the drive and select Paste. Wait for the transfer to finish. That's it! Your Google Photos have now been successfully copied to your external hard drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.